unbelievable. We set records even when the beat is broke. Don't need the dough, ask him on for your buck. The only thing to kill them, they can't handle a punk. Play penalty killer, skillfully pass and poke check on black rolls. If there's no cash and pack correct sonic cons exploit the oil fields of the inner city. Someday I hope it's real seal. I tell you, building a dream where my future can stay safe. Place where I never have to move or vacate. Basically, I'm not in great shape cause I placate and don't listen to greens. Besides, never grasp my staycate. The pigs is hurting, but I just don't care. Wearing forces is the only time I put on airs. I spit a hard hitting verse when I'm spitting it hurts. I never shifted a verse, let alone flip the whip in reverse. My freestyling's like a Gibson and curse. So sick with the verse, they gotta think I'm reading verse. And plus my skills, it sounds real to the crowd. I go for my mouth with Prozac pills and I still get down to it. Freak to it, I put a beat to it. It's unique music, we rock to it. Freak to it, Halifax, hands up in the sky like this. I can't sweat trying to make the coolest impression. Trying to get power is a foolish obsession. Why use talent as a tool for oppression? A real king ain't gotta rule with a weapon. So what if we went to school for possession instead of jail? And they said to stop the crazy talk, yeah, we never will. I guess I still believe love can never fail. Cross eyes on heaven looking crazy as hell. Maybe I dwell too much on legacy, destiny. Like I can never read what's on the heads on ahead of me. But in my head I see we're carving the letters. Every day that thought makes me work hard for the better.